Hey everyone, Parkour Train Productions HD here. That was really close to my face. There's an extreme dust storm in Henderson, Nevada, and I just want to show you some of the chaos that's happening. Some of the trees fell down over here. Yeah, that's what I was saying earlier, all the trees fell down. There's like a whole bunch of trash, leaves everywhere. CS Gaming /vlogs is here. So is the Ultimate Gamer. Go check them out. We came home from our previous video. There's even caution tape here from the ambulance coming and putting up the stuff. Same with the police. And this is insane.
This is insane, Dustin.
Is that a bucket? There's a bucket over here. It got ripped straight out of the ground. There's a stick that got launched into a tree over here. No, never mind. I thought it made a mark into it. It did. It made marks. It ripped off the bark.
I freaking saw this branch right here.
It was stuck to the side of the tree. And it ripped off all the bark.
Down right here.
Okay. There's a toy car. There's a toy car right here. Palm trees. Since I have you guys here, I want to say a couple things that you may not have noticed because I don't make mini vlogs. I'm also doing parkour videos. Obviously, it's my channel. I wanted to say some of you may not have noticed. Well, obviously, you have noticed. But in my previous video, some people haven't noticed that they didn't see my glasses. But in the beginning of this video, you obviously saw them. So, and also why there are big gaps in between my videos is because I'm getting in so many appointments. I got these glasses earlier. I'm also getting dentist appointments, so I won't be able to make much videos. So I hope you guys don't get mad at me for not making videos. So that's basically it. I just wanted to show you guys what we came from our previous video that we just filmed today. So I'm not gonna end it here.